Still too early to tell for us, but the track here as we get into the Leeward Islands, yeah, we have hurricane watches and warnings going up there because the track heading right into the northern edge of the islands. The closest approach for them is Tuesday, Wednesday time frame there, and it's only within maybe 100 miles or so. So that's why the watches and warnings are up. Now, after that, though, moving into the Bahamas, but this we're talking Thursday and Friday. This last frame here, this is Friday afternoon that it's moved past the Turks and Caicos and into the Bahamas here. And then I would think by tonight, this will inch a little bit closer to us. Now, it does look a little bit more ragged here. Hurricane Hunter is on the way out there to check on this, and it could find that it's a little bit weaker than that 115 that it is right now. But that's only temporary. You see there's a little bit of northerly shear on it and still some dry air getting pulled into it. But that's just going to be temporary because the forecast track, as you saw, is expected to strengthen. Now, the model's pretty much a good agreement. That's why pretty solid on the fact that it's going to head towards the northern Windward Islands here and the Lesser Antilles and get very close to Puerto Rico. Even though not on top of Puerto Rico, you still could feel some big time effects with large surf, squally weather, heavy rainfall too for them there. Then after that, heading up into the Bahamas, still a pretty good pack here of the models holding through, right through the Turks and Caicos, and again, dangerous situation into the Bahamas for sure, because we're talking about a Category 4 storm, 130 mile-per-hour winds the Hurricane Center is predicting as it moves through the Bahamas. And then after that is the tricky question. A lot of them do bang a hard right, but it's where is it going to bang that hard right? The European gets to Andros and then moves up. The Canadian does it right along our coast. So we'll just have to see here. And then the American model just slams it right into, say, the Grand Strand there or Wrightsville Beach. It's still about 1,900 miles away from us.